Welcome to the Fabulous. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to get more fab videos. Peace of mind, improved sleep, spiritual enlightenment, whatever you're looking for, meditation can help you obtain it. But there are so many different types of meditation, so how can you figure out which is best for you? That is why today's lesson will focus on part 1 of 6 different types of meditation you can learn and which one you should practice. First up, we have focused meditation. Are you just beginning and just learning about the different types of meditation or want to improve your focusing skills? Try focused meditation. With this type of meditation, you focus your attention upon a single point, your breath, a flickering flame, or the sound of a bell, and sustain that focus for the entire session. Some commonly practiced forms of focused meditation include chakra meditation, kundalini meditation, and Zen meditation. As simple as it may seem, focused meditation can be a bit challenging for beginners. If your mind starts to wander during your session, gently guide your thoughts back to the present moment and refocus. Keep practicing and you'll surely improve. Next up, we have mindfulness meditation. Do you prefer to practice alone or don't have access to a teacher? Mindfulness meditation might be for you. Originating from Buddhist teachings, mindfulness meditation is one of the most widely practiced types of meditation. Mindfulness meditation works with the fluidity of your mind. Like tranquil water, you simply allow your mind to flow with your environment without narrowing your focus towards one particular thing. Instead, you become keenly aware of the sights, sounds, and smells that surround you. Mindfulness meditation promotes harmonious coexistence and peaceful surrender, reminding you to let go of the things that you cannot change. Last up for part 1 of different meditation types is spiritual meditation. Are you seeking spiritual growth or need absolute silence? Consider spiritual meditation. Whether you choose to practice at home or in a place of worship, spiritual meditation can help you establish a deeper connection with the divine, God, or universe. To begin, sit or kneel in a comfortable position. Once you're ready, you must remain quiet and succumb to the silence around you. In your mind, formulate a question or recite a prayer. Be still and let the answer come. Not only is this type of meditation relaxing, but it can also be wonderfully insightful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2 in the different types of meditation you can practice.